A single glance at the water's unusual hue is enough to reveal the truth. In fact, this is no ordinary mountain stream, but a treacherous mudflow. In the Andes, a group of tourists unknowingly put their lives on the line, attempting a risky shortcut. Just in time, they spotted the incoming surge of rocks and debris, giving them a precious moment to escape disaster. Scary Mother Nature got angry on camera, reminding us once again who's in charge, whether it's ice-covered houses, massive hurricanes, or violent volcanic eruptions. That incredible and terrifying moment was caught on camera. This massive landslide struck the city of Bandipur, Nepal. In the summer of 2024, a creepy tornado formed right above a Russian airport, causing massive destruction. The damage was estimated to be at least $2.4 million. That was truly one of the scariest moments on Earth. And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying, like something straight out of a nightmare, captured in haunted and chilling videos. Hail is every motorist's worst nightmare. Each hailstone delivers a hit blow, not just to the car, but also to the owner's wallet. Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local drivers were completely unprepared for the icy roads, and of course, no one had winter tires. That incredible moment was caught on camera, Mother Nature showing her fury once again. Even from this angle, this video gives us chills and more jump scares. We can't imagine what the people on the boats experience. When you think of destructive natural events, fog probably doesn't come to mind. But this, take a look. Some people dedicate their lives to chasing tornadoes. In this super scary and top horror video, an amateur storm chaser managed to capture the birth of a new tornado. Check out this devastating flood in Kerala, India, wiping out houses like they never existed. In 2024, Myanmar witnessed nature's fury in a devastating disaster. A massive reservoir used to store wastewater from jade mining suddenly ruptured, sending a powerful surge of sludge and water cascading down the mountain. The flood tore through everything in its path, leaving destruction and chaos in its wake. Witnesses described the scene as eerie and surreal, like a ghostly force sweeping through the land. What was once a source of wealth had turned into a nightmare, a haunting reminder of the consequences of human actions on nature. Not many people understand the destructive power of water like sailors do. Just look at what they have to deal with during super scary storms. You might think this incident in Turin, Italy, was due to human error, but no. A strong current ripped the two boats away and carried them towards the bridge. That moment's caught on camera. As soon as these Italian workers saw signs of a mysterious collapse, they made a run for it. Probably the best decision of their lives. Just few seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down.